Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off and opening the case so nothing moves unexpectedly. Once done, lay a soft cloth and tray down to catch small parts. You don't want scratches or lost pieces. Make sure the replacement earbud is charged at least 50% and your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active for pairing. Now position the case so the hinge faces away. This provides access and stability while you perform the change without fumbling or dropping components. You'll remove the old earbud by pinching the stem and rotating it inward to break the seal, then lift it out at a slight angle to avoid tugging internal connectors. Once out, inspect the charging cavity and clean any debris with the soft cloth. Align the replacement earbud so the charging contacts match and lower it straight down. You should feel a magnetic snap when properly seated. Make sure the stem sits flush and the ear tip forms a good seal before closing the case. You finish by closing the case for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure contacts engage, then open it to trigger the pairing handshake with your device. Test audio, active noise cancellation, and run the ear tip fit test to confirm seal and comfort. Swap to a different tip size if bass or isolation is weak. If the new earbud is not recognized, perform a reset by holding the case back button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then reconnect. This reset fixes most pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.